All right, guys, what's going on, man? Welcome back. Welcome back. We got a quick unboxing we're gonna do real quick, man. As y'all can see, Rovan Racing. All right, so I've been in this RC stuff really hard lately, really hard. We got engines coming. I'm testing out engines. I'm testing out pipes. I'm doing all kind of stuff. Working on my small block Baja. We got the drag racing Baja. We have the RR5 buggy. We got the on-road course car. We got all kind of stuff, man. I got engines set up over here. I got stuff for the rail. You know what I mean? We got stuff. We got stuff all outside. It's crazy. But just like, the rail. If I take the rail out and say we get ready to pull a new engine in that, I don't want to pull that out to do a break-in and all that stuff. So I picked this up. This Baja. So I picked up Baja from Rovan Racing. This is my first Rovan. Really, this is my first Rovan. So let's go ahead and get this open, man. All right. I saw this on RovanRC.com. It ships out of New York. I think it's Cottage City or something. It was cheap, man. Like I said, I think I paid $4.50 for this thing with the coupon they had going on. They had a sale going on, and I said, why not? Let's pick this up. Let's go ahead and add the first car to 2023 to the stable. I don't think it'd be many more of these unboxings for 2023, but at least not for mine. We might have some other ones on here, but this is the first one, 2023. I call this my Christmas / birthday gift, because my birthday's in January, guys. So, we got a box inside the box. Let's pull this out. All right, so here's the other box. My seal was already broken. I'm guessing they added what they needed to the box. Let's see what we got here. We got a Baja. Test and tune Baja. That's what this is. This is my test and tune Baja. Let's see what we got in this box. So we got a congratulations letter. Purchase of the King Motor or Rovan vehicle. Mine is the Rovan, I believe. This vehicle has been inspected, blah, blah, blah. Has all the good. I think it has a break-in procedure on here. A little checklist. Yep, there goes the break-in procedure there before starting your engine, blah, blah, blah. We'll do break-in, of course, on this engine that comes with it. I believe it's a 30.5 in this engine. All right, so here we go. Next up, we got the wing. Wing setup, black wing with looks like the adjustments for the rear hubs, stock hubs. All right. What else we got? We got tires, front tires here. We got the nice, these are the 6 spokes. So a little heavier duty. Got the reinforcement hexes, which is cool. So these are the heavy duty Rovan rims. And these are the rear tires here, the pins, which I will run. I'm going to run these pins. We're going to see what these things do. I'm not changing anything on this Rovan unless it breaks. So that's what we're doing. Other than testing, tuning engines and stuff, that's all I'm doing. I'm going to run it, have fun with it, bash it, all that good stuff. We got the good tank for mixing up. This will work for somebody just getting in the hobby maybe. But for me, this is going in the trash. All right, what else we got? We got a box here. What's in this box? All right. So we got I think it's a Fly Sky radio. Yep, the FSGT3B. This will be going with the, I might use this on one of my crawlers or something. It's a nice feeling radio. It's got some nice weight to it. The wheel, let's see what the wheel feels like. It's got a little bit of tension, but it's not anything that I'm planning on using. I have my you know, my Fatavas or my Sanwas, but this car will probably be binded with my Fatava because I don't like having too many radios anymore. So this will probably go on one of my crawlers and, you know, go that route with it. Let's see what else we got in this box. All right, so it's just the transmitter instructions and the bind plug and antenna tube, it looks like, down inside there. So, all right, so next down inside here, we have the instruction manual. Looks like the charger for the like a USB charger for the, I guess, the battery maybe. We'll look. We got the good multi-function wrench in here. We got spark plug wrench, which you can never have too many of these. I love getting these. This is the one thing I do love getting in all these kits. And then we have the wheel nut key and a few stickers, Rovan stickers. All right, I think that's pretty much everything inside this bag. Oh, some Allen keys down inside there too. And then we have the buggy. Let's pull this buggy out so you can see what color this is and see some of the options that come with it. And there she is, man. Got the black and the gray paint scheme on there. All right. Like I said, 30.5 engine. We got the tuned pipe here. And like I said, I'm going to run this joint. I'm going to run that pipe. I'm going to run this pipe, and I'm going to run this engine. And we're going to try and blow that joint up. We're going to, you know, run exactly what fuel I run in that. But we're going to run it in here. And we're going to tune this joint and get this thing running sweet. And I'm telling you, I'm going to have fun with it. Eventually, this pipe will go away, but I'm going to leave it in with this 30.5. Eventually, I'm thinking about doing some cuts on the ports and see what I could do. You know what I mean? If I have any kind of skills to make any power out of, you know, added power out of it. But I'm going to try it. I'm going to try to take the head off. I'm going to do some cutting and see what I can do. Take my dibble and dabble with it. But yeah, I mean, this joint is nice, man. I mean, it really is nice. I love the black and gray. Those are my colors right there outside of the purple. But, you know, the shocks look good. Rovan shocks, which is, you know, I ran that on my my small block drag Baja also, and they run good. So Black and Smurf and Tony, they run Rovans and don't have much problems with them. But we're gonna see, man. You know what I mean? I'm gonna leave this stock transmission the way it is. Man, we even got metal hubs on there for the rear and the front. Then we got the Rovan servos for the throttle and brake and for the steering, the jumbo steering servo, of course. Yeah. So I'm gonna run this joint. I'm gonna put some oil on this because there ain't no oil on that. So I'm gonna throw some oil on this. We're gonna run that. Stock gearing 1856. I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna run it just like this. I'm gonna throw them tires on there, and we're gonna run this joint just like this. So if anybody is looking for a cheap way to get in this fifth scale game, this is it. I mean, $500 comes with a radio, comes with tires, comes with everything but fuel. I mean, everything but fuel, man. So if you're looking to get into the fifth scale, you watching these videos and you know you're interested in getting the fifth scales, man, get one of these jumps. Like I said, this little 30.5 should hold up. You know, we're gonna find out, but I'm pretty sure this little 30.5 will hold up with the right fuel mixtures and everything. Just get some good fuel, get some good oil. You should be good to go, man. So, only thing that I am a little worried about is these carburetors. I noticed it's supposed to be a Walbro carburetor, but Rovans always have a tuning issue that always leads back to this carburetor. So we're gonna run it as is, like I said, but we will make little small changes here and there. just to get durability out of it. But other than that, we're going to have fun with it. So come on back through. Just a little quick video, a little unboxing. Nice little Rovan, ready to run. Stay tuned. All right? It's your boy Lance, man, over here at Crucial RC. I'll holla at you. Out.